Hello everyone, I'm TechX. Today we will see how to fix lag on any older Android device and make it faster again. So let's get started.
One, memory usage. Go to the memory settings on your device and you'll see the memory usage there. Just click on that option and you'll be able to see which app has used how much memory in the past few hours. Two, running services. In developer options, search for running services. You'll see which services are running in the background. Just stop the services that are not important to you, like Instagram. 3. Animation. In the same developer options, scroll down more and you'll see options like window animation scale and transition animation scale. Click on them and set the animation scale to 0.5x. Your phone will instantly feel faster. 4. Device care. You can find the device care option in your settings. In that option, find device scan and scan your device. This will automatically scan your device for issues, malware, or harmful apps. Delete any harmful apps if they're found. Five, Google account. Now open the Google settings from your settings app and select your account. You'll find personalized using shared data under all services. Disable all of them. This shares your data with Google to improve their apps. 6. Deep sleeping apps. This is one of the best features to improve your Android's performance. Select the apps that you rarely use but are still important so you can't delete them. Just select those apps and they'll go into deep sleep mode. When you open them again, they'll start working normally. You'll also find an option here that automatically puts unused apps into deep sleep, which is pretty useful. 7. Updates. Keep your Google Play services and your device software always up to date. 8. Storage. Storage is another important factor that can make your Android slower. Keep your storage clean, delete unwanted files, and organize your storage for the best performance. Nine, Zero Cleaner. Zero Cleaner is an app that you can use to clear your app's cache data. Cache data takes up a lot of storage space, and this app automatically clears it. This isn't a sponsored video, but it's one of the best apps to track and remove cache data. Allow all the required permissions, and it will work properly. Ten, RAM expansion. So, let's settle the debate. I don't know whether this feature is useful for everyone or not, but in my case, it works if your device has 4 GB of RAM. However, if your device has 8 GB of RAM, keep this feature disabled. It won't help that much. That's the end of this video. And yeah, we know this video wasn't up to the quality we usually want to deliver, and we're really sorry about that. We're working hard behind the scenes to improve our content, and the next videos will be much better. Thank you so much for sticking with us and supporting the channel. It really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.